Hey guys, I'm Abby Sharp. Welcome to Abby's Kitchen. It is so beautiful outside, so we're going to be enjoying the great outdoors and doing a little bit of grilling. And today's recipe was actually a request from a lot of you guys. It's a keto recipe. Now, admittedly, I'm not a crazy huge fan of the keto diet, or really any diet at all. However, the keto diet in particular I find is really restrictive, and a lot of the recipes are not very balanced or healthy. Case in point, we tried a bunch of the craziest ones and they were not so great. But not this one. This is my avocado bruschetta. It's keto friendly, it's also gluten-free, but it's packed with antioxidants, fiber, and really good fats. And of course, it's really tasty. So let's do this. To a bowl of chopped tomatoes, I add some extra virgin olive oil, basil, and a pinch of salt. And I give everything a nice stir. Next, I add some extra virgin olive oil to some avocados, and I place them onto the grill on medium-high heat. Grill them for about 5 minutes until they get some nice grill marks. Next, I top my avocado halves with the bruschetta mixture. Add some sliced buffalo mozzarella. Pop it back onto the grill on indirect heat, grilling it on a medium-low for about 5 to 10 minutes until the cheese melts. Finally, I top mine off with some Parmesan cheese, a drizzle of balsamic reduction, and some basil leaves, and enjoy. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, be sure to give it the thumbs up. Leave me a comment below with some great ideas of recipes that you love to do on the grill. Subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time on Abby's Kitchen. Bye!